All right, here we are at the Hampton Inn. Where exactly is this? It'll say on this one. Yeah, makes sense.
Oh, right. These are Delaware. That's what Matt said.
There it is, Delaware.
This is Glen, Pennsylvania.
Glen Mills, Pennsylvania.
And naturally, since they're Delaware elevators, they're some of the nicest elevators we've ridden today.
Yeah, Delaware is solid. Well sized. 3,500. Appropriate installation.
Doesn't have a single issue that I can find.
Nope.
I wouldn't expect anything less from Delaware.
Yep.
This also seems like a nice property. So
It does.
I'm not surprised.
I like that this has the homier Hampton decor.
Yeah, I'm not surprised if they would have Delaware.
Here we are. Oh wait,
They're in good shape.
very good shape. Yeah, I really did like, kind of liked how homey Hampton decor used to be before they decided to use cold colors like everybody else. This hotel is a pretty good example of what I like about older Hampton decor. See Delaware right there. Be a great install, very well spec'd.
And well maintained.
Well maintained. This might be my first Delawares.
Really?
Yeah, they might be. All right, that's it.